Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can record Google Meet video call by using OBS. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just open your OBS software, and if you haven't created scene yet, just click on this plus icon to create scene. You can name it whatever you like. I'm gonna name it Google Meet and simply select OK. Then click on this plus icon under sources and we have to select window capture. Again, you can name it whatever you like. I'm gonna name it video call and select OK again. Now here you need to open this drop down next to window, and here you need to look for Google Meet. It is right here and simply select OK. Now we have added the screen. It means that we'll able to record video call but not the audio. In order to record audio as well, we need to go to settings and here look for the option audio, and here you need to look for desktop audio and just simply set it on default. Once you do that, hit apply and select OK. Now at this point we'll able to record audio as well as video, but in order to record your own voice through microphone, you need to add microphone as well. So for that, again click on this plus icon under sources, look for the option audio input capture, select that. Again you can name it whatever you like, but for instance I'll just leave it on default and simply select OK. Now here you gotta select your microphone. I'm gonna select this one and select OK. Now we have added microphone as well. It means we are good to go. So simply in order to record, hit start recording and the meeting will start recording in your OBS. Once you're done and wanna stop it, simply click on the option stop recording and the recording will stop. Now in order to check the recording, all you have to do is go to file at the top left hand corner, select the option show recordings, and right here you'll able to see your recorded video call. It is that easy. So yeah guys, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you'll able to record Google Meet video call by using OBS. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.